Well, afternoon from Canadian Creek Ranch here in the shop. I've been working on this here rack again. Got all the pieces cut and sanded off and welded up. Don't look at the welds too hard because I'm not a welder. So only thing I got left to do now is find the expanded metal to put around the bottom and on the sides and then mount it on the back of the four-wheeler. And of course, prime and paint it before I do that. So if you like seeing this little update, make sure you like and subscribe or follow along on TikTok. So thanks for watching.